Dreaming of bringing your ideas to life without breaking the bank? Whether you're a beginner exploring your first prints or a maker looking for pro-level quality on a budget, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 budget 3D printers that offer incredible performance for under $500. From resin to FDM, from ultra-silent prints to high-resolution results, these machines prove you don't need to spend a fortune to create amazing things. So buckle up, because your next 3D printing adventure might just start here. Number 5. ELEGOO Mars 5. If you're stepping into the world of resin 3D printing for the first time, the ELEGOO Mars 5 might just be your perfect companion. Priced at around $200, this compact printer proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get quality, consistency, and ease of use. The Mars 5 simplifies one of the most intimidating parts of 3D printing: setup. With its innovative spring-loaded build plate system, it's designed to be ready to print straight out of the box. No manual leveling, no guesswork. Just load in your resin and start printing. That's a game changer for beginners. What sets the Mars 5 apart is its smart approach to printing. It comes equipped with useful onboard sensors that monitor printer health, notify you of potential issues like low resin levels, and offers self-check capabilities. Rare features in this price range. You're not just buying a machine, you're getting peace of mind. With a modest build volume of approximately 5.65 by 3.53 by 5.91 inches, it's ideal for printing miniatures, figurines, and precision parts. And thanks to its support for optional upgrades like a USB-powered heater or air filter, you can easily enhance your setup based on your workspace needs. The Mars 5 continues ELEGOO's tradition of offering smart, affordable, and reliable resin printers that punch well above their price tag. It's compact, customizable, and confidence-inspiring. An excellent gateway into the creative world of 3D printing. Number 4. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE brings affordable 3D printing to a new level, blending simplicity, reliability, and just the right features for beginners and casual makers. At around $229, it proves that starting your 3D printing journey doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Right out of the box, the V3 SE offers a beginner-friendly experience with fully automatic bed leveling and self-offset calibration. That means no more manual adjustments or frustrating misprints. Just consistent, smooth first layers with minimal effort. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned hobbyist, this printer makes the setup process refreshingly stress-free. It's 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches. Build volume provides plenty of space for most creative projects, from household gadgets to cosplay props. While it skips out on some of the premium extras, like a filament runout sensor or a flashy touchscreen, it more than makes up for it with solid, dependable performance. The dual Z-axis motors ensure smooth vertical motion and excellent print stability, making it a workhorse you can count on. In a world of increasingly complex 3D printers, the Ender 3 V3 SE stands out for its simplicity and reliability. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done, and sometimes that's exactly what you need. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra. If you're stepping into the world of resin 3D printing and want a compact powerhouse that doesn't overwhelm your wallet, the Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra might just be your perfect match. At just over $200, this little machine offers a surprising blend of smart features and print quality, packed into a size that fits neatly on almost any desk. What makes it stand out? First, it's smart. Really smart. It can actually detect when things go wrong before you waste time or resin. Whether it's a failed print or not enough resin in the vat, it lets you know immediately. That means fewer frustrations, less cleanup, and more successful prints. Its 10K screen delivers superfine detail, making it perfect for printing miniatures, jewelry, or detailed models with incredible precision. And thanks to its efficient design, it also supports high-speed printing when paired with the right resin. You don't have to compromise quality for speed anymore. Another standout feature is its modern interface. With a user-friendly touchscreen and guided setup wizard, the Mono 4 Ultra makes it easy to get started, even if you've never used a resin printer before. Add to that optional cloud connectivity for slicing and managing prints remotely, and it becomes clear. This printer punches way above its price tag. The Anycubic Photon Mono 4 Ultra isn't just an upgrade, it's a leap forward for budget resin printers. Compact, capable, and clever, it's ideal for makers who want powerful results without a steep learning curve. Number 2. ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra. If you're looking for pro-level print quality without breaking the bank, the ELEGOO Saturn 3 Ultra might just be the budget-friendly beast you've been waiting for. Once a flagship model, it's now available at a price that makes it nearly irresistible, offering premium performance for around $330. This mid-size resin printer brings serious power to the table. With a generous build volume of 8.62 by 4.84 by 10.24 inches, you're no longer limited to tiny figurines. You can take on larger, more ambitious prints with confidence. And thanks to its high-speed design and stable mechanics, that print won't just be big, it'll be sharp, clean, and detailed. ELEGOO is known for making printers that just work, and the Saturn 3 Ultra is no exception. It's reliable, consistent, and designed for real-world use. Need ventilation? You've got options. Whether it's plugging in a compact air filter or connecting a hose for external exhaust, your workspace stays cleaner and fresher. One small quirk? It comes with a lift-off lid instead of a hinged one. But if you can live with that, the rest of the package is incredibly impressive. Bottom line, the Saturn 3 Ultra offers near-flagship performance, stunning detail, and smart features at a price that undercuts many entry-level printers. If you want to level up your resin printing game without paying premium prices, this printer should be high on your list. Number 1. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. Small in size, big on performance. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini proves that great things do come in small packages. With its compact 7.1 by 7.1 by 7.1 inches build volume, it may seem modest at first glance, but this 3D printer is packed with intelligence and innovation that rivals much larger, more expensive machines. For just $399, you're getting a smart, connected printer that practically runs itself. From automatic bed leveling to real-time diagnostics, over-the-air updates, and vibration dampening noise reduction, the A1 Mini takes the hassle out of printing. Add to that its clean and user-friendly companion app, plus one-click access to a massive library of 3D models through MakerWorld, and you've got a machine built for makers who want results, not a learning curve. It also offers remote monitoring via an onboard camera, easy nozzle swapping without tools, and support for multicolor and multi-material printing if you pair it with Bambu's AMS Light system. Want speed? The A1 Mini's nimble frame and high-temperature hot end mean fast, precise prints with filaments like PLA, PETG, and TPU. Perfect for beginners and deeply satisfying for more experienced tinkerers, the A1 Mini strikes a rare balance between simplicity and sophistication. If you're tight on space but big on creativity, this machine could easily be your new favorite tool. No matter your budget or skill level, one of these 3D printers could be the perfect tool to unlock your creativity. Which printer caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next one. Keep creating, and remember, the future is printable.